The best thing about this house is they own nothing. They do it as they go when they have profit, and they enjoy the process of making and the pride of ownership that they build the house without anyone's help, anyone's labor, anyone's money, just themselves. So this is their upcoming master's bedroom. Now you can see, even though this is a do-it-yourself house, the the owner of this house is one of the master builder here in our neighborhood. But you can see how he done it. This is just done by himself, by the way. Another do-it-yourself house. But this is their master's bedroom. They have no loans, no donations. They just do it themselves as they earn. So you can see the view from here and how windy it is. So this is the view from their master's bedroom. And you can see there's a proposed balcony as well. That her husband, this is Eileen who owned this house. Her husband is doing the house after work. 5 o'clock he arrives. He'll do it himself. Even pick up the actual sand and gravel from the river here in Pulang Bato. But he's been doing this for over 10 years, slowly building up his house. And you can see it is possible to build a house by yourself. So this is the proposed master's bedroom. This is their second bedroom that they are using for the moment. Then this is the hallway. It is a very nice house. This is their kitchen, dining room. Very creative. And then their toilet and shower is in here. They even have the laundry area. It's under the stairs. It is actually quite well planned house. That's the toilet and that's the shower. And I was told there's another, that if you go in that room, that's where another bedroom that connects to her shop. So that's a very nice house. So this is like going to the second bedroom here. The third bedroom. That's the toilet and shower. That's the third bedroom. Under the stairs is the toilet and shower. Third bedroom. This is another 20-foot by 24-foot house. But you can see the pride that they feel. It's the husband and wife's team who's making this house. So you can see it's possible. And this is their lounge. So, ala, ang Christmas tree ga na yabong. So it is quite cute house. Very, very beautiful. To the standard that you cannot imagine. This is not made of shed. Nindot, Eileen. Very nice, good siya. Ganahan ko. This is their lounge, and that's the. So like this lady is saying, it's so small to look outside, but you will be shocked that it has a 3-bedroom and a bathroom shower house. So this is how it looks outside. That's their proposed master's bedroom. It's still going on, and there's a balcony. Wow, there's a balcony from the master's bedroom. And the most interesting thing, the owner of the house also have a shop underneath in one of the bedrooms. So this is all done by him and her husband, Deli. So look, they occupy the whole space, build the house by themselves, and they already spent nearly 500,000 pesos on this house. Nindot gaoy. So that is how the house look. It's quite a very nice house considering the price that they paid on it. And the materials, they're not scrimping. Very nice. But this is like the fruit of their labor. They like doing their house themselves around here in our place, slowly but surely. So this is a house that cost them over almost 500,000 pesos. That's what the wife says. As of date, this of almost 500,000 pesos. Again, it's 20 foot by 24 foot. 24 feet by 24, 20 by 20 feet by 24 feet. But it's a 3-bedroom, well-designed house. 3-bedroom, still ongoing house, but the best thing about this house is they own nothing. They do it as they go when they have profit, and they enjoy the process of making and the pride of ownership that they build the house without anyone's help, anyone's labor, anyone's money, just themselves. So the Filipinos are not really very useless people. There are people that can do. Look at the view that she has in there as well. They can do, they can survive, they can do their own homes. They just have the opportunity. But this one has been going on for over 10 years, and this is now the result of the labor of Deli and his wife. Over 500,000 they spent over almost 10 years, but this is what they end up with.